जी मुसा भाई, बस ठीक है।
नेगेटिव पे इसकी कोई खास वजह है? प्लेन रोड सर।
Good evening and assalamu alaikum everyone. Am I audible to everyone?
Walaikum Assalam.
Okay, great. So I'm audible to everyone? Thank you. I will wait 8 more minutes and inshallah then we'll start the session and we'll explain you in detail. Thank you very much.
iPad where? iPad. Have a catch this one. My meeting is start. Bring na photo.
Now, I request to kindly mute your mics while you're in the meeting so that the others Mr. Shwed, we request to kindly mute the mic. We should start in the next 6 minutes, so let's everybody else to be joined. Rahman Rahim, and good evening, everyone. I would like to welcome all of you on this information session. This session is about for all those new joining students and the parents to understand our process of education, how the stuff will be gonna be deal, and how day-to-day communication and class management will be done. So, am I audible to everyone, and everybody can see the screen as well?
Yes.
Great, thank you very much. I'll reshare the screen so everyone can have a quick review on that. Okay. As everyone knows that, Alhamdulillah, all which school is approved by the President at Axel. We are having all the online services and online instructions are approved by the President at Axel, UK, and now we are also providing the most affordable education to all the students. Going quickly towards the most important portion is about. Can you hear me? Anyone is
मुझे पूरा खोलना पड़ता दोबारा से पूरी चीजें खोलनी पड़ती
we request you to kindly please mute it while the session, and then if you have any question. Okay, so our affiliation is with the President Axel, as well as we have a registration, a license in the government of UK and London itself. And then we have a branch in Sharjah Research and Technology and Innovation Park Authority, where we do also have a license. So we have a triangular license services in order to provide the education in the biggest region of the world that includes the Gulf countries, as well as Far East, Middle East, West, and as well as South Asia also. Moving towards the agenda of today's meeting, you will find we will learn about what is our LMS, how the learning management system will work, what is the video box, and how the courses, content, homework, and announcements in the LMS, and the forum section, how you can see the progress and where you can find out the tutorial to understand that how to use the LMS and the mobile application for this LMS, as well as at the end, the important contact numbers of the Olar Visual School, where you will get information or day-to-day support while you are studying and having classes with the Olar Visual School. Without wasting further, we are going towards this session is basically for the IGCSE O levels as well as international A level students too. So they all can get the information to how to use the learning management system and the full communication. Okay, so what are the basic requirements? There are a few requirements that you need to have prior to having your classes. Number one is laptop. We don't recommend any mobile phone. The class should be a laptop or a tablet. There is a recommendation to having printer at home, headphones with you so that you don't have a noise distraction, and as well as a good internet connection, which will be ensuring your continuity of the online classes throughout. So we recommend to this setup, and all those stuff should be available prior to the class or prior to you joining a new session. So learning management system, at the end of the session, I'll also go through with the learning management system where you can find out that how you will be working and getting a day-to-day communication from the school. It's our software. It's very specially designed for the course management, assessment, communication, and the collaboration. If you could see at the downs, you will find the URL allricherschool.videobox.net/pages and login, and through which you can always go through to log into the learning management system. Our next is the virtual classroom rules. There are a few rules which we request and which we try to enforce for everyone to follow, for teachers, for the students and the parents. Number one is it's a workplace. We want that everyone uses this workspace as an opportunity to learn and use it in a positive manner. Of course, we are having a great privacy policy, and we respect everyone, teachers, students, and all the intellectual property of the data and information. Technological checks, we recommend to have your technology checks prior to that. That means internet connection, your devices, the storage, the battery. And then we have a policy to cameras on. This is a strict policy for us. All the students and teachers should remain having the cameras on. The reason being, we want to say that it's an interactive session. If the cameras will be off, it's just a one-way traffic. So we want the communication for the both way, and we also want that you're not distracted while the cameras are off. So cameras are a must in your laptop while you are online studies, it should be cameras must be on. The second one is our virtual background. So in this clip, this morning, we shared our virtual background also. In this virtual background, we want when your camera, make your camera on, use this virtual background instead of your any other background. So having like uniformity in your sessions. Request you to kindly mute your mic so that we will continue without any distraction. And then we have question answers at the end. So two things I was emphasizing. The first one is the cameras on during your classes and the sessions. The camera remain on for all the students and the teachers. And then we have a virtual background, which we have shared already in the WhatsApp group this morning. If anybody did not get, we'll again share in the WhatsApp group too. This virtual background we request to use by you guys while you are online for studies. Then if you have any question and concern during the class, so we need to respect each other. Raise your hand in the Zoom classes or our LMS. You can raise your hand, and the teacher will turn up to you and ask you in the turn and say, "What is the question? Yes, do you have any problem or any issues or any clarification in the lecture?" That will be solved. I believe everyone has already received the login details of our LMS. So make sure you got your LMS. If you have not, our team is in the WhatsApp group, and you can just mention your time and you will find the LMS also. Then we also explained you how you will use your forum. There is one section in our LMS. Once we go to the practically on one of the course in the actual LMS, that I'll show you that how the forum is work. I want everyone, students and the parents, use the forum frequently. The forum is basically a live chat between teacher, student, and school administration. So whatever you have concern in the off hour, within the working hours, you will say that we need this help on that too, any support on that too. Our team will definitely help you to get on that. This forum is a live chat. Live chat means it will be working hours a live chat. Otherwise, all the remarks and text will be read by the teacher, and she will come back next day during the working hours. Then we request, of course, the privacy of everyone, the students, the parents, and the teachers. So we want that everyone should respect on that too, and don't use the images or pictures and photos of staff or the material of any of the student or the parents for any other social media or any other use, because we're strictly on privacy and we want that everyone should follow and respect each other. The next one is the Video Box mobile app. I want everyone students should download this mobile application. It's a very user friendly, and it's having a streamlined navigation where you can easily can log into your work, you can submit your homework, you can chat, you can have forum section, you can go to your course sheet, you can attend your live lessons, and a lot of things. So this mobile application is giving you quick information. Every time a new thing is coming into your LMS, you get a notification on. And so we recommend that all the students should have this mobile application downloaded, or the parents also, where they can, through this URL online at alloutvirtualschool.com, they can log in through the same login credentials that you have for the regular login details. Okay, moving towards the next one. Video how to use the mobile application. Here you can see the first one. When you will download the video box, you will just go to the Play Store and mention the video box, and you will find there is one with this icon. You will find download that one, and then use the online alloutvirtualschool.com URL. Put on your login details, and you select the English language, and then you'll go ahead with the mobile application. That will be your user-friendly. Mobile is ready to use. Mobile application. Okay. In the LMS section, you will find profile, your content, books, homework, reports, notification, and certificates. So when I told about saying about the profile, I mean you have to upload your actual photo, current photo on that too. You can adjust your name spelling if there are anything is not corrected there, or contact details or email. So we request you to when you log in this time, gonna go and update your profile portion, which I'll show you on one side on the actual LMS. Under the content within the course, you will find all the resource books, notes, your test results, your quizzes, the results, your all those teaching and to the learning material and resources will be under the content, which I'll go through the after the end of this presentation. Then books are over there. We will find also homework, reports, notification, and once you complete your assignment, you'll also get a certificate. We have like student of the week policy. So all those students who are performing well will be getting a certificate student of the week. And similarly, it is in the monthly test, the results will be shared on that too. The announcement section in the LMS actually give you important messages or updates shared by the instructors or the administrator with the students, course updates, assignments, and deadlines, administrative notice, and journal. Information will be under announcement. That's one of the section in your LMS, which will giving you a different day-to-day announcements or dates that you need to be clarify on that too. So be in touch with the LMS to get all these notifications on time, and mobile application too. The forum section is basically facilitating communication, encouraging engagement, supporting learning communities, extending classroom discussions, archiving the discussion. So, for example, if you are in the class in the forum section, teacher will give a question in the forum section. Could you please tell me what is the two branches of the biology? And you have to type in the forum section and live. So that will give you an interactive session and opportunity and activity to remain active and know the classes about that too. I'll go through with the one time at the end so you have a great idea. Apologies, I'm not feeling well today, but I decided to continue on that too. So if I got any breaks or my vocal is not good, just bear with me, and I'll be greatly appreciated. OVS management contact numbers are very important. If you need journal information or regarding the admissions, you can find over this number, which is displayed on the screen. If you want any administrative requirement and support, admissions, you can work on that too, or any LMS support, you can go to admin. And in terms of fees and other things, you can go with this numbers, or if live session coordination, you can go the below number, which we mentioned it over here. The next we go towards the LMS tutorial. So we have a YouTube channel under All Our Virtual School. I request all of you to subscribe that channel. In this channel, you get day-to-day communication, new information, and it's also having a section of tutorials where you can find how to upload your work, how to use the LMS, how to do the assignments, how to access and log into your detail, how to download the mobile applications. You will find a lot of information through there also for your ready use information. Okay, the last one is the question, but before we go to the question, I would like these have a 2 UA number and UK number, which will be your main point of contact with us. But I'm gonna show you our main LMS. Of course, I will be in the admin section, but I'll take you to the courses so you have an idea. So movement, if you go to our website, hope so this is clear to everyone, the screen is visible. So if I say All Our Virtual School, you go to our website. On top of website, you will find there is an icon called login. You can just log in over there. This interface will be shown in a few seconds. So of course, I'm doing the admin section, so you can see the admin section. Then I sign in on that. Okay, so no, that's not required. So you will go to the home page. So I'm admin, so I have a different, stuff on that too. But when you go to the home page, you will find profile first. On the profile section, like it's my profile, I have my picture, my name. So make sure your name and everything is good. Date of birth and your email address is all good, which you have mentioned. So don't change your email addresses. And then at the end, you can just save whatever you have saved there. After the profile, you go back and you will having like I have courses, you will be having my courses. So you can click on the courses. So let's see, I'm gonna share with you one of the our course biology Charlie group. So you will find this interface when you will win your course. So under the portion called content, you will find subjects, and subject 2, subject 3, you will find the course books. These are the books which you can view, you can download, and you can use it. Then you have subject monthly reports, for example, Charlie, Bester, and July reports are there. You can also find the daily lecture notes, which are here. I'm giving you one example on there too. And also in the content books, you will find your all the detailed worksheets, solve, and all the information which you require, like digital resources of your books, everything will be by chapter by term, you will find under your content portion. The second portion is your live lessons. So if there are live lesson books, that will be shown here also. And then these are the portion which is about the students. So how many students are in a class? Like there is a 29 students in your class. You can see these students are getting information, and they're all your classmates are here where you can see your all the classmates. But this is mostly for the teachers, not for the students. If you have received any certificate for this course, this will be visible here. And if there is an announcement, which is in particular this course, as I mentioned in the presentation, you will find, for example, there is one student of the week. So if some student is going a good one, under announcement, you will find this student is the student of the week, okay, for this particular subject. The very important thing is the homework. Under the homework, you will find your homework that is assigned to you. Make sure that these homeworks are basically having a deadline. So if the deadline pass, you may not be able to access your homework. So make sure within the deadlines, you complete your work. For example, you will find the dates and deadlines I mentioned here on the say there is a date, homework created, you view the details, and then you will, as they are already been submitted, so I'm not showing it here, but you will find view and submit. You will complete the work, take the pictures or take the PDF files, and with these PDF files, the way this is downloaded, you can upload, and this will be going with you in the assignment and homework portion. So I'll just like to see the view detail, for example, kindly upload your answer, the quizzes on the sheet, view details are here, and you can submit. These are already submitted, so you won't find the option here. But anyway, under homework, you will find solve. You will go quick on that, and then you upload the file. And the moment you will upload the file, it will be submitted, and this will be considered as that you have already added into the assignment. So homework section is the main course. We keep in mind we have 2 or 3 days homework section and daily classwork sections. So classworks, assignments, and homework will be coming under the homework section. The other one is the polls, which is not of yours, but here is the most important thing which I told you about the forum. I want everyone to log in today and see your courses which are assigned to you and write on the forum. You may not find a lot of courses because we are assigning this by tomorrow. Still most will coming in, so we'll be adjusting. You will find soon tomorrow morning or afternoon all the courses which are assigned to you. So for example, if I'm saying, please do your work, please complete your work. I'm just typing it for your example. Complete your work on time, or you say on time, student, or you want to send something. I don't understand this topic, and any topic your question you can send. This will go to the this will go to your it's already posted. The teacher, myself, administration, and the other administration of this course, and the students, they can all access to this. Once the teacher will say, will reply, and this will be resolved. So I want that everyone start using the forum section, which will be remain. So keep in mind, during your live classes, you need to be on, your LMS must be on. So that anytime, if I say, what is 2 plus 2? The idea is not that you want to say me, the answer is 4. The idea is that we make sure that students are active. So everybody write 4. So this will giving you, teacher can have a surprise quiz or question during the class. So we make sure that students are active and they are not, distracted. It's very easy. The student can get, I can open a YouTube here while the camera is off. I can play another video game. We don't want that. So when you're in the class, you should be active, and we have checks which we can report on that too. Okay, so forum, homework, announcements, and students, these and the content where you can see your work is more important. This is the one of the few things which should be required to be kept in your mind. In your library section, when you will be there, you will find all the books and policies are there. So for example, the library section, our business study course, our data and protection policy, disability policy, our timetables. If this time is not updated, we will have timetable updated here, so you can view your daily timetable. These timetable, if I'm going to show you here quickly, so you will find, for example, I'd like to view this. So you will find in the timetable section, first you will go to your LMS. In the LMS, you will find what are the courses you are assigned. And under the course, when you see the name of the course, you will find the timetable, which is going here. Just give me 1 second. Here you go. So for example, there's a business study IG. So if you in the LMS and study business studies IG enroll there, your timings is 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Now keep in mind, this timing is UAE standard time, United Arab Emirates, Dubai standard time. We use standard time of UAE. So all of your timing should be within the UAE. This is not the updated one. Tomorrow afternoon, you will find the updated one. And tomorrow afternoon, you can log into your LMS. You can log in now as well, but you will find the courses assigned to you. You will find your business study ID and timing is here. So you will find all the courses over there. Okay. Under the library section, once again, I'd just like to go back. Okay. There are 2 library sections. In the library section, you will find all your books also, although within the course, you will everything there, but you will find your books as well. geography, IS, chemistry, international biology. You can click on that. You will find all the books are here. Similarly, all the books you will find under the content library or library. And if even you get any issue, you can always come back to us. Okay, other than this, I believe these are the exam quiz that are related to you. Home, profile, my courses assigned to you, then as well as your course packages and how to use the forum, homework, upload the homework, how to go to the content and assignment submission. This is already I have explained you. If anybody is having any question, kindly feel free to ask me and I will definitely try to explain you. Thank you very much and available for the questions. Mr. Peter, Shoaib, Muqaddas Ijaz, Fatima Aram, Anika, if you have any question.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alaikum assalam, Mr. Shoaib, and welcome to the All Our School family.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. My question is that I'm always out of the country. My work is oil and gas, so I always out of country. Because right now I'm in Egypt. So what I can do, for the classes, maybe the time, I have some issue with the time or
For the
something like
English
that.
level classes, the potential time will start most likely 12 p.m. UAE time. We understand the time differences of different region. So instead of starting in the morning, we're starting 12 p.m. So that you have the afternoon. It's basically afternoon, but in UK time is the morning time. So like we try to gauge all those. So international is level timing most likely starting by 12 p.m. UAE time onwards.
Okay, thank you. But what happened if I miss the class? Is there any backup or something?
We will be providing the revision notes, and in next couple of weeks after, we will start providing the recordings also. We're working on it. So you will have recordings too. But we don't, prefer to provide the recording because we want everybody should, have proper interactive class, enjoy with the class, talk to the teacher. Ideally, if there's a recording, there are a lot of excuses coming. I have a birthday party today, tomorrow I need to travel, a lot of things coming in. I don't want people taking this excuse. We want everyone should use it as an opportunity to interact with the teacher and ask a live question with a live things. But yes, of course, in 2 weeks' time, what we will provide the hopefully recording as well, 2 or 3 weeks, so that in case someone is missing, they can just go through with the recordings.
Thank you, sir. Inshallah.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Any other question, please? Muqaddas, do you have any question?
Hello.
Yes, Anika. Welcome to the class formally, and thanks for your patience. Tala is along with you too?
No, he's not with me right now.
I thought
I just wanted to ask about the Vetterbox app. How to use that app?
Okay, so application, but I'll be sharing this presentation in the group, so you can go. It's 73 steps. It's very easy. It's a video box app, and once you can follow just 3 simple steps in the presentation, the app will be very handy for you to use. It's very user friendly.
Right. Okay. Thank you.
And in this WhatsApp group, you will find the OVS admission. Mr. Ahmed is in the meeting, and he will help you if you guys got any issues. He will always help you to access you. Today, I want everyone log in at least, and they should make sure they can log into the LMS. And tomorrow onward, they should see the timetable. We'll also share the timetable in this WhatsApp group as well, and so that you can have also. Very importantly, we will add your number into the different WhatsApp groups. So we have a backup. We will find the WhatsApp groups, Zoom link classes in the WhatsApp groups, as well as we try it in the forum also. So you get the forum and you get the WhatsApp. Either way, you can get the class link. So be very sure that, like, for example, those in the medical student, they will be having 3 WhatsApp groups: the biology, chemistry, and the physics. So you will find there the 3 groups, and the timings are they will follow, and they will be having. Similarly, for the IT or information technology students, they will be having information technology, maths, and physics. So they will be in these 3 groups. Similarly, business studies and economic students, they will be in these sessions. So altogether, you will find all the different students are in the different groups. So all A's level students are in the 3 groups, while all those fast track students, they are in the 5, and O level the 90 new students, they will be in the 3 groups. By tomorrow afternoon, you can see the updates in the WhatsApp group and as well as in your login details. LMS, sorry. Any other question, please?
Okay.
No, sir.
Great. Mr. Peter, do you have any question?
Yes, I do have. Are you able to hear me?
I am. Thank you very much and welcome to the Ola Virtual School.
Thank you so much. My son Zephaniah Paul is also with me and
Great.
is watching you, listening you.
Welcome. Thank you as well.
I've got two questions. First one is that will we have the recording of this orientation session later on?
We're recording this and we'll share this link into the WhatsApp group itself.
Yeah, that will be great. And secondly, the very first thing that I've been concerned about his exams, since he has been enrolled into 3 subjects for now, which are computer science, maths, and English. So, when will he be appearing for the first exams? Could you give me estimated months?
Okay, great. It's a very good question. Those who are joining by 12th August, it's only for the international GCSE or O-level, not for the A-level. International GCSE students, they will be appearing only in one subject if they are ready. For example, if the student is ready, he will be appearing in English only, not the other subjects. So like in our first term will be finishing in November and second term will starting again in December, the first week. So they will be getting additional subjects and then they will be going to appear in May, June 2025 exam because the time is quite short and the registrations are about coming in a week time. So English, we can recommend they can go and that will be eventually accessed by the teachers. If they recommend, it's okay. Otherwise, they can also appear in the English and May, June too. We don't want that you pay the fees and then you're not ready for that.
Thank you. Thank you. Understood.
You're very welcome. Ms. Kaniz Abbas is here and welcome to the Ola Virtual School, ma'am. I think his Kashaf is around you too. Is there any question anyone is having? So please feel free to answer. Sayyid Azim, do you have any questions, sir? You raise the hand. Okay, if everyone is good, thank you very much for joining. Enjoy your tomorrow Sunday is holiday and afternoon, please go through with the timetable and everything. And inshallah, with the grace of Almighty Allah will provide you everything. Looking forward to welcome all of you. Feel free to reach out to us. Maybe Monday, Tuesday, you need some time to adjust. Please be patient. Our team will be around you and helping you for everything, wherever you get any issues. But be patient for a couple of days, inshallah, with the 2 or 3 days when you will be understanding the timetable and the classrooms and every activity, you will be quite clear on everything. So no need to worry all about. We will be supporting you, inshallah, in 2 or 3 days. You will be on board and we're so pleased and happy to having you all. We'll formally like to welcome you to your international class. Thank you very much and have a good evening ahead of you. Thank you, Jazakallah.
Thank you. Thank you, sir, for this
Thank you so
great
much. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Allah. Please.
See you. Thank you very much.